What's up, everybody? Welcome back here on the channel, and after a very long time we do have a Matchbox 5-pack new for 2025, the Japan Cruisers 2. Pretty nice set, especially for me, because I do have a lot of other versions of these castings. Let's take a quick look at the packaging. Here you see the models, and here on the side you see the main motive is the Mazda RX-8, also here on the back. So let's slide out the models and go through them, and let's get started with this one here, which is a very nice version. Focus. So very nice version of the Mazda Autozam AZ1. Kind of a K sports car, I would say. I really like this one. Looks pretty cute, and I'm really happy that we see this one in white, because I think this is the perfect color for this model. And it also comes with white wheels. As you can see, we have kind of lensed headlights, which are part of the window piece, and it looks like we have a blue interior. We get some details on the back, pretty nice. Of course, this is a right-hand drive car because it's from Japan. We've seen it in red. I think this, I'm not really sure. I think this was the first version. Then in blue, and also in yellow. But definitely the white version, in my opinion, is the best so far. I think these are all the versions that are out until now. So let's put our Mazda into the parking lot as we go on with our next model, which is also a real beauty, the Subaru SVX. I mean, you know, this is kind of a special car, something that not everybody likes. It's a little bit weird, I would say, but I do really like this one. Very nice casting now in blue. I think this is a car that famous Matchbox and Hot Wheels designer Ryu Asada had, and I think he also designed this one. You can see it here on the first version. Oh no, it's not the first version. It's the first version, but it's not the one with the Asada plate. That's what I wanted to show you. But let's take a look at this version. This was the first one. Comes in kind of a pearl white. This one looks really good. It always comes without any front details, unfortunately. I mean, we have some indicators here on the side, and comes with a license plate. Pretty nice. Then we've seen this one in black. This is also a really nice version. I like the gold rims, looking really good. As you can see, this one also has the SVX license plate. This one is the version I want to show, Ryu Asada license plate in kind of a burgundy color. Also pretty nice. So these are all kind of, I would say, the mainline versions that we have seen from this casting so far. I think they did two kind of premium versions, but yeah, that's it. So our next one is this guy here, the Nissan 350Z. This is a pretty old casting. I think it's from, what does the base say, 2003. And obviously it was retooled in 2020. But there are a lot of versions of this casting. I think it always comes without front details, so yeah, looks a little bit plain, I would say. And also you see the back. I think it's not not the best Matchbox casting ever, especially now. We've in the last, let's say, 2 years, you've seen really great stuff from Matchbox. So nice to have, but not the best one ever. I only have two versions of this guy. This one here, as you can see, and this one here, both without any front details, and yeah, on the back it always looks the same. So yeah. Now we come to the Mazda RX-8 in a pretty nice green metallic livery. I think this is relatively new casting. It's from, let's take a look at the base from the other one, 2022. So I guess it came out in 2023. So we've seen it in black and in red. And yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, I think the green version is pretty nice. So there we go. And our last one is this guy here. 1994 Lexus LS400. Yeah, it's a casting that I really like. This version, in my opinion, is a little bit off because, I mean, I would be interested in your opinion, but I think the wheels are way too big. This looks really strange in my opinion. I mean, the color, yeah, kind of a candy apple red is, I don't know. I think it's just not the right color for this style of car, kind of a classic limousine, I would say. Comes with a red interior, by the way. We've seen this one in yeah, also yeah, kind of a pearl white, which is kind of an off-white pearl white, so to say. And it's a dual tone model, as you can see. The lower part is gray. Pretty nice. I think these wheels are a much better fit for this model. This is the back. Sorry for that. Yeah, pretty nice. And we've also seen it in black, which is also definitely a better color for this one. And then we've had the 70 years anniversary edition, which is this one here. Yeah, also two-tone color, and on top of that we get the 70 license plates and LS400 on the right side. I think the other ones don't have that, so take a look right here. And also the taillights are a little bit different. We have these white lights here on both sides. So yeah, that's the Japan Cruisers 2 5-pack, and as always, I'm picking a favorite at the end of the video from this unboxing. And I would say, I think it's this guy here, the Autozam AZ1. I think white is a really cool color for this one, and I really like the white wheels. And yeah, the blue interior is something to see. And with that said, thanks for watching. Happy hunting and see you next time. Bye.